I happily welcome you to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. Yeah, you know we're going to learn verbs. You're right. So what verbs are we looking at? We're looking at huhu. Huhu, that is what? To sieve. Fra, that is to mix. Yi or yiyi, that is to pick. And then sɔne, that is what? To filter. Good. Let's take the first one. Huhu. Huhu. When we say huhu, it could mean three things. It could mean to sieve, to blow like that, or to fan yourself like this. Well, let us try to explain. I have here this is a sieve. In Twi we call it what? Huhuamoa. Huhuamoa. And that is what? Sieve. Huhuamoa. I have a mixture here. And I want to sieve it. In Twi we will say huhu. Huhu. Enti maybe huhu so. I'm coming to sieve it. I put it in the huhuamoa, in the sieve. Right now, what am I doing? I am sieving. So in Twi, I will say meri huhu, me huhu, me huhu. You know, we write meri huhu. I think now we are familiar with this Twi construction. And that is what? The present continuous. When we write it, we say re, we add re. But when we are talking, we don't make use of what? Re. But we say me ko, me didi. In this case, I will say me huhu. But you see how it is written. We say meri huhu. So when we say huhu, it means what? To sift or to sieve. To sieve. Okay? That is the first meaning of it. This is another verb. Me hwie. Me hwie egutuan. Me hwie. Hwie means what? To pour. To pour. Hwie. To pour. So accidentally we are learning a new verb. Hwie. To pour. Good. Me hwie we egu we nso me be hwie. Me hwie gum. Hwie. Pour. Hwie gum. That is pour it inside. Hwie. Good. Now there are some particles here. Rightfully, I have to use a duster and then make it somehow moist and then clean here. But I want to teach you the next meaning of the verb huhu. So when we say huhu, as I've told you the first one, the first meaning, it could mean what? To sieve something. But it could also mean to blow something. So the particles here, I'm going to blow them. In Twi, I will say maybe huhu, maybe huhu. Particles in our hand. So right now, what am I doing? Me hu. Me hu. That is what? To blow. If you have food and it's hot and you want it to cool a little bit so that you can eat, sometimes what do? You blow it. Huhu. Huhu. That means you blow it for it to cool down. Yeah. So we say hu or huhu. When we say hu, that means do it one time. But when we say huhu, it means do it several times. Yeah. So what am I doing? Me huhu. Me huhu. I am blowing. Good. It could also mean to fan. So assuming the weather is hot, it's not hot. But assuming the weather is hot and I want to fan myself, in Twi I will say me huhu me ho. Me huhu me ho. I am fanning myself. Me huhu me ho. Me huhu. This is in present continuous tense. That is why I am saying me huhu. In the past tense, I will say me hu me ho. If you want to learn much about the Twi tenses, I will put the link in the description so that you can refer to the Twi tenses. I have done a thorough lesson on that, so refer to it and learn the Twi tenses. Good. So we have huhu, which means to sift or to sieve, to blow or to fan. We go to the second verb. The second verb is what? Fra, and that is to mix. Fra, to mix. Let me give an example to explain the term or the verb. When we say fra, it means to mix. So if you are telling someone to mix something, you can say fra. Fra, that is what? Mix. Example, if you are preparing bread, there are a whole lot of what ingredients that you mix together. The most conspicuous ingredients are what? Flour and sugar. So before you prepare bread, you need to mix flour with what? Sugar. In Twi we can say fa. Fa, that means take. Fa esichire. Esichire is what? Sugar. Esichire. Fa esichire fra is some. Fa esichire fra is some. So mix sugar with flour. So when we say fra, it means what? To mix. To mix. To mix. Do you know how we call pharmacists? Well, in Twi, we call pharmacists inufrafo. Inufrafo. That is mixers of what? Drugs. Yeah, because it is believed that before they come out with a medicine or a drug or chemical, they will have to mix certain chemicals together in order to come out with that. So we use what they do to name them, and that is what? Inufrafo. That is what? Chemical mixes, something of that sort. Inufrafo. So when we say fra, it means what? To mix. To mix. To mix. Let's go to the next verb. The next verb is what? Yi or yiyi. Yi or yiyi. And what does that mean? It means what? To pick. To pick. But when do we say yi? We say yi when we are referring to just what? One item. For instance, I have some pens here. There are so many colors of them, but there is only one that is what? Yellow. So if I want you to pick the yellow one, then I will say yi. Yellow one. Yi. Yellow one. You know, Ghanaians, we mix English with what? Twi. So sometimes there are certain words, if you say them in Twi, a modern Ghanaian will not understand you. For instance, pen is what? Atweredua. But most scholars, if you say atweredua, they will not understand you. But if you say pen, they will understand you. So I want you to learn how to communicate with the Ghanaians. So that is why sometimes I make use of some of the English terminologies. Other than that, I was born and bred in a village, so with the Twi language, I can rattle it very well. So, if I want you to pick one item, then I will say yi. Yi. So this one I will say yi. Yellow one. No? And I say yi. Akoko sradie no. Akoko sradie is what? Yellow. So pick the yellow one. I will say yi. Yi. However, if I want you to pick so many items, then I will say yiyi. So assuming this is mixed with other things. It is mixed with other things. I don't have any other things to mixed with this. But the pens are mixed with other things. And I want you to pick out the pens. Then I will say Yiyi ntwireniano. Yiyi ntwireniano, meaning pick out the pens. Yiyi. That means you're going to pick so many items. But if it is one in some items and I want you to pick it, then I will say yi. Yi. Yeah. So what are we saying? When we say yi or yi, it means what? To pick. To pick. Good. The last and fourth verb that we are going to learn is what? Sɔne. 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 We have learned huhu, that is to sieve. But it's not all items or not all substances or not all mixtures that you can separate through what? Sieving. Sometimes you have to separate mixtures through what? Filtration. To filter in Twi is known as what? Sɔne. 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 That is to filter. I have some drink here. Assume there is water in this bottle and there are some particles under beneath. There are some particles that have settled below the bottle, and I want you to filter this water. Then I will say sɔne. Sɔne nsuo ne so, meaning pour it carefully so that all the particles will remain here. That is sɔne. So sɔne. Not only in this situation. Sometimes too, when we are preparing our palm nut soup, abekwan palm nut soup, when we get a mixture of the chaff together with the liquid substance that we want, what we do is that we add water to the mixture and then we pour the content into a sieve like this. And then in that sense we don't say huhu. No. Once it is water or liquid that is coming out, we say yes sɔne so. Yes sɔne. Yes sɔne, meaning we are filtering. Yes sɔne. So we can also use sieve to what? Filter in Twi. Yes sɔne so. That is what? To filter. To filter. So when we say sɔne so, sɔne so, it means what? Filter it. Filter it. Good. This is where we draw the curtains down. And like I've told you, as you can see, you are getting some of the Twi verbs at your fingertips. So keep on watching this program. Thanks for listening and thanks for watching. If you're a subscriber, let me know that you appreciate this lesson by giving it what? A thumbs up. And please also suggest this channel to your friends and colleagues who want to learn Twi. Keep watching this program, and as I've assured you, if by the end you go through to the end, you will be able to speak the Twi language up to 80% fluency level. Thank you.